was watching Tiffany Jenkins and she let her 4-year-old do her makeup, and I thought there is no better way to spend this time together as a family than to let my children do my hair and makeup. I feel really confident in their abilities. They've been watching a lot of tutorials. Is that, okay, they haven't. Thank you.
Let's go. Wow, I can really see your hair on your chin.
Oh, good. Nothing makes you feel more beautiful than letting an 8-year-old and a 6-year-old scrutinize your face. What is that? Ah! Oh, that feels, I feel, yeah. Wow. I'm ready to play football after this. It's like, if you can't go to the salon, this is definitely the next best thing.
Then,
I don't have that much hair on my face. It's like a trust fall exercise a little bit. You're supposed to turn it that way when you do it.
you're not allowed to see what
I don't think anybody should be allowed to see what it looks like. Oh, it's good. It's good when you have to like force it open. It takes a couple seconds. That's how you know it's
Close
working.
your eyes.
Probably.
What is this?
That is eyeliner, but I think it is being used as kitty whiskers on me. It's hard to see. I feel like I'm gonna be cast in Cats after this, or some scary clown movie. I like to go for a really subtle look. I remember an episode of Full House where Aunt Becky was telling DJ about wearing makeup, so you don't really even know that you're wearing makeup. So that's kind of how I live my life. You know when your stylist makes that sound that things are going well. Some people spray tan. I just put brown eyeshadow on my neck. Kind of like when Mandy Moore gets turned from the young gal to the old lady on This Is Us. It's kind of what's happening here.
Hey, look at Mama!
I don't know if that's good for our marriage. The lady never reveals her secrets, so.
Oh my goodness. I didn't know that they would do such a good job. It looks surprisingly close to what you usually do, so that's the good news.
I'm too busy.
We have a family Zoom call at 11:30, so I just wanted to be ready. And sometimes it's a lot to do by myself. Blend, that's good, Emma. Everything is about blending. When I watch my makeup tutorials for over 40, it's all about blending.
Can I design a way to let them?
I think we're really good at the makeup.